miles, continue straight.
So today we're going to the Illinois State Beach Park, but this time one of my friends is driving me to the Illinois State Beach Park, which is Morgan Kingsley, so I'll give her a shout out on Facebook, and thanks to her. So today's video, like I mentioned, we're going to the Illinois State Beach Park in Zion, but we are on I-94 and it's going to be a great day in Zion. So I heard that there's a beach hotel in the lakefront, so they may have a restaurant, but if there's the restaurant, we're going to try it. But we're currently on the Edens Expressway. Make sure it says Waukegan and US 41 and stay on the left 3 lanes. So we passed Sheridan and we're entering the beach park. Look at the nice houses next to the beach park. And I think we're passing the metro tracks, I believe, which is the Union Pacific North. And the birds are chirping. 8 a.m. to sunset. Perfect. We aren't camping today. We're just going to the beach and having lunch there. And it's hard, and it's going to be a far walk if you get off the Pace Bus 571, the Zion bus, which isn't a good idea, but driving would be better, or unless if you take your bike to Zion and get off the bus at 571 off on Sheridan. The nature is so pretty. Look at the prairie. So Morgan, where should we head up for lunch?
Well, I hear that they have a hotel or an inn on the premise, and I believe they have lunch options, and they also have an outdoor dining area.
Okay, so perfect.
I was thinking we could check that out.
So let's do that. First lunch, and then we go to the beach, right?
Sounds good.
And then we go home, right?
Sounds great to me.
I never been into this resort before. I heard it's so nice. Looks very, very pretty. Pretty environment we got in Lake County today. And if you don't know, yes, the Illinois State Beach Park is on the northeast corner of the Illinois State, which is very interesting. We just got out of our car and I'm so hungry right now, and I believe they use hotels. This feels like the Grand Geneva in Lake Geneva, Wisconsin. It feels like it. And I see some people working on the streets, fixing up streets. There's a gift shop, which is really interesting, and dining. The Illinois Beach Hotel. I love this place.
So you have to remember.
This is where you will have to check in for hotels. If you're going to Nolan's, please make sure you seat yourself and find a seat that makes you comfortable. And what's cool about this place, but we just show you. You can eat right at the lakefront or the beach. It's so pretty. At Nolan's, you see some good food. I can't wait to eat. Right here at the Illinois beach hotel at the state park.
Can I
Thank
get
you so much. And can we have some more water?
Yes, sir. You want to sit your cup down and I'll come right back with it and fill it up for you.
Yes.
All right, enjoy.
Sit it right down there, Joe.
So good. Since it's raining outside right now, let's not do the beach. Maybe another day, but that's okay. We're getting into the car. They're doing construction on the beach, so it's not a good day to swim also. But the beach looks, it would be nice if it would be sunny today, but I don't mind. I think we're gonna try out to find our way out and then we go home. At the state beach, you can get some picnics around, but it's not a good day today. I can understand why. And make sure you be careful because there's lots of speed bumps. What's really cool about this place that there's a park office. We'll do it after we do the park office. We're just gonna be on our way home. Trail crossing. That road is so narrow, very narrow. Trucks do not even come to this beach park because they could collapse the road. And if you need something, you will have to go to the beach park office. Mondays through Fridays, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. But they don't open on weekends, unfortunately. But there's that beautiful Lake Michigan. It's so windy out. Look how much it changed. And there's the Waukegan Harbor. Very windy. And I'm afraid we will have to end this vlog today, but I think I will conclude for our vlog for today, for our episode today. We're going to have to end it because it's going to rain, and I hope you enjoyed this one, and have a good day, everyone. Bye.